What's cooking, my fellow foodies? Today we are making a tasty banana bread. You can top your banana bread with walnuts, pecans, or pumpkin seeds, but today I'm slicing a banana to go on top. It lets others know what kind of bread it is, and it gives it more of a rustic look, which I love. You will need 3 overripe bananas. I usually let mine sit on the counter for a week or a little over till they look like this. The blacker the banana, the sweeter and more bold flavor your banana bread will be. Butter and flour a loaf pan. Smush your bananas with a fork till it resembles a baby food-like consistency and set aside. To a large bowl, sift your flour, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good sift and set aside. In a measuring cup so it's easy to pour, add your 2 eggs and vanilla. Whisk and set aside. To the mixing bowl, add your stick of butter and a cup of sugar and mix till combined. Slowly add your egg and vanilla mixture. Add your bananas and give it a quick mix. Add your flour and mix with a large spoon until just combined. Make sure you do not overmix the bread. Fold in a half a cup of walnuts or pecans. Then transfer batter to a loaf pan. Add slices of fresh banana on top. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55 minutes or until toothpick comes out clear. Cool in pan for 5 minutes, then place on a wire rack to finish cooling. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.